Hi guys, I'm Marty, development chef here at Tucker Fresh IGA, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious crispy Asian noodle stir fry. It's fast, it's fun, it's healthy and it's delicious, and it's ready in just 10 minutes. So I'm just prepping my veggies for the stir fry. And when you're prepping your veggies, guys, there's no real right or wrong way to do it, but I think it's best if you chop them slightly thicker, just because whenever you stir fry them, they maintain that texture and that nice crunch. So I'm just plunging the noodles into the boiling water for the stir fry. It's really important that the water's boiling. Just drop those in gently. Now we can get on to the stir fry. The most important thing about a good stir fry is the heat of the wok. The wok needs to be really, really, really hot. So this is on a very high heat. I'm just going to go in with my sesame oil. If you can, it's better to use an oil like sesame oil or nut-based oil. They've just got a higher temperature and you can really control the heat better instead of using olive oil or canola oil. So as you can see, really smoky. That's what you're looking for. Veggies in. You can use a pan for this, but it's best to use a wok. Reason being, the wok's this shape. So whenever you're tossing your veggies, the lip of the wok keeps the ingredients in the pan. And if you're not confident flipping, nothing wrong with doing this. So my noodles have been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm just going to check them quickly. And they're soft enough. So off the heat and just strain them into a strainer. So my veggies are beautiful and crispy. My noodles are strained. We're just going to put the noodles straight into the wok. Give it a quick toss and really mix all the ingredients through. And then we're going to finish it with our sauce, which is a combination of honey, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and sesame. We're just going to give this a really good mix. So I'm just going to finish off the garnish, guys, with a little bit of finely chopped red chili. This adds a little bit of heat. It is optional. For the chili lovers out there, you can put more on. For the not so much chili lovers, you can put less on or leave it out. And we're just going to put a little bit of spring onion on it as well, just for a little bit of color and a little bit of freshness. And just finish it off with some salted cashews for that extra crunch. Here we have it, my super easy, super fast and super delicious 10-minute crispy Asian noodle stir fry.